Hey, what's going on, guys? Team Murph here, back with another video, and today's video is going to be more laid back. In this channel, I talk about e-commerce, dropshipping, pretty much anything digital marketing. Lately, I've been talking a lot about TikTok ads, so anything like that you guys ever need, I'm going to be talking a lot about it. So like and subscribe to this channel if you guys want more. But today's video, we're just going to be talking about, the sun's out. I'm just literally enjoying the sun, getting everything in here. And running some ads right here on my laptop, just trying to get out of the house for the day, rather than staying inside, which I know a lot of us do in the e-commerce space in general. So just try to get outside and enjoy the sun and just switch up your energy a little bit, and that's what I try to do. So I just sit out here, enjoy the sun. It's a beautiful day here in Pennsylvania, and just run some ads. But in this video, guys, I just want to talk about, I guess, like the space in general, what's going on, lay down some expectations for you guys, just like around the e-commerce space. So I'm sure all of you see it. Everyone makes these videos on, I would say, e-commerce and just drop shipping. Sell this product, top 10 products to sell in July, August, top 15 products to sell this year, all those videos. And they try to make it seem like either you got to find the winning product to make a lot of money, but in the reality, man, like, it's not a get rich quick scheme at all. I mean, for me to even see any results, it took me at least not any, but like a lot of stores I'd break even on. But just learning and understanding the process of marketing in general as like a whole, like, you guys need to start understanding that it's not all about just putting a product from AliExpress and expecting to make a ton of orders and travel the world and drop out of college like everybody's saying. I mean, I'm still in college right now, doing some classwork as well. Like, you guys don't have to drop out. Like, if you're in college, stay in there, graduate, do what you have to do, and still work on your business. Instead of drinking and partying, just work on your business. If anyone's in college, or say if you're working a job, like, don't quit your job, man. Like, keep working your job and have it fund your business. I mean, that's what I do. Like, for a while, I was even a food runner at a local restaurant for like a year and a half or two, just to make enough money to try to fund my business. And that's what you guys need to do as well. And just a bit story about me. I worked as a food runner. I was in college for 2 years, played college football, played college lacrosse, then took a year off last year to really go hard in drop shipping, go hard in my business. And I actually moved to Arizona, lived with some people there. Didn't really pathways with them, but it was an awesome experience, and I wouldn't give it up for the world. And at that point, I was just thinking to myself, okay, I broke even on a lot of stores. What can I do? And this brings me to the point where, guys, like, you also need to find a mentor, right? Or someone to look up to, or possibly a partner to help you in the space. Because at that point, I was like kind of at a low, not at a low, but probably like the most I've struggled in my life, especially like with business, being in a new environment, having to pay for rent, all of those things, right? And it's weird because, like, every night, like, when I would go to bed, I would just visualize what I want in my life, right? And I highly recommend you guys start doing that. Like, start picturing your your life, your dream life, what you want, your goals, and just keep replaying that with like vivid detail inside your head when you wake up and before you go to bed at night. So I just constantly kept doing that and trying to like bring positive energy towards me, and towards everything in my life. And like, it just started coming to me, right? Like, it's weird, like, things just started coming. I didn't know what products I wanted to run, I didn't know what I wanted to do, and the products and people just came to me, right? Like, my business partners just came to me. It's hard to say, but he reached out to me via email and said, hey, I saw what you're doing, I have this product, I see you run Facebook ads, and I need help with my company to run it. So I helped him a little bit, and he's now my mentor as well, and he's amazing. And he said, hey, do you want to partner up on a store? I said, sure. And the next month we did like 30K net profit the next month. That's not crazy compared to a lot of people, but like 30K net on like the first or second month of store was huge. And like, since then, we've just been working together. And I flew back to Pennsylvania, where I live now, and went back to college. So I built my business, during that year off, and I went back to college, which I am here now, living in Pennsylvania in the United States. and just working on those companies, right, and preparing for Q4. And I just want to let you guys know, like, I struggled for the longest time. Like, I still struggle. Everybody still struggles. So don't believe everything you see on YouTube or anything that people say, oh, I made $1 million, right, in revenue, but like they could have made $100 in profit, right? That's what you guys have to understand. Like, revenue does not make sense. Like, if they don't tell you the margins, if they do not tell you the profit, beware, right? So that's just like that in that aspect. And especially when it comes to other things, like, you could have a winning product and still not make money. And why do I say this? I say this because you have to learn, understand your customer, understand your brand, understand, your average order value. Do you have good upsells after post-purchase? How are your email funnel, your email sequences, right? All of those things come into play when when it comes to marketing and being profitable in your store. Like, guys, it's not just posting one product and expecting it to take off, make you a ton of money, and then you never got to work again, right? And that, guys, I'm sorry, it just doesn't happen. It just doesn't happen. So, like, guys, like, at the end of the day, I just see it too many times, like, too many people asking, for mentorship money, all this stuff, when they don't even know how to create a profitable business. And that's mostly the reason why they're doing it. And that's why, like, I'm trying to give you guys, I don't know it all, to be honest. Like, I do not know it all, but I'm trying to give you guys what I have so far that helped me and, could possibly help you guys out in the future. But like I said, guys, like, learn more about the back end. The front end's cool, right? Most people can run Facebook ads, but learn how to get your average order value up. Learn how to build a sustainable brand. Like, are you giving a good quality product to your customers? Are you giving a shitty or crappy AliExpress product? Like, test the product beforehand before you sell it. It's really not that hard to understand, but I see a lot of people just taking, like, the shortcut route and kind of expecting, riches quick, or the process to be super easy. So yeah, guys, like, it's a journey. Like, we just all have to understand, like, this is a journey of, life, and, everything that has to come with e-commerce and dropshipping and digital marketing and doing content and everything like that. So guys, like, if you just do the numbers, right? Year one, a lot of people come in the game, right? A lot of dropshippers come in the game. Year two, people start to fade off just because maybe they lost some money, they didn't break even, and a lot of people quit along the way. Year three, you start to make some money, right? Year four, year five, and you're killing it because you stayed course and you stayed the track of, what you just, you put your brain to and what you made up your mind to, accomplish. And guys, that's just like one of that I want to come on here for, and just let you guys know, like, it's not easy at all, right? People might make it seem like it's easy. It's not easy at all. Just, you need to put the grind in, put the work in, and understand that it's not an overnight process, especially when it comes to, marketing and, digital products and, e-commerce products, anything of that nature, guys. You gotta, learn the ropes, and I'm currently in the process of learning it all as well. So I'm right alongside with you guys. But so, guys, I just want to come on here, give you guys the truth about what's going on, my journey and just everything like that. So, guys, I just want to let you guys know, I have a free Facebook group for, digital marketing, dropshipping, Shopify, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, everything like that. The link should be in the bio, so click that, join a community. I want it to be super special and, very personal with all of you guys. So click that to join for free today. I'm super excited about that group. Also, guys, if you could like and subscribe to this channel, that would be amazing. It just shows me you guys really love these videos, and just like me, being real and giving you guys solid content. So, guys, thanks again, for watching. Till next time.